What is up, everybody? Tanner with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys one of the products that has made me over $5,000 in the past month. So if you watched the whole 0 to 100K challenge series, you know I had to make a new store and all those variables. You can go back and watch that if you want to, where I explain everything. But basically, I have a new store, new products and everything like that, where I haven't really revealed to you any of the products that I'm selling, what the store name is, or anything like that. But the time has come. I'm not revealing the store, but I am revealing one of the products that's made me $6,000 in revenue within the past month or 30 days, whatever you want to call it. So I would say $6,000 is not bad. It's about, what, 1/6 of the, more than that, 1/5 of the total sales for the month or for the past 30 days. So it's definitely a significant product that's had a decent ROAS. At first it was a lot better than what it is now. Now it doesn't sell as much. That's why I'm showing you guys, but maybe it'll work better for you. I've gotten a lot of data with it. I just haven't really been able to utilize it to make it super profitable, just because the suppliers, they want a really high cost for it. But we'll be going into that and showing you guys everything. So let's go ahead and go on my computer, guys. And make sure you hit that like button if you haven't already, and subscribe if you're new. And if you're already subscribed, turn the notifications on. Why not? See you on my computer. All right, we're here on my computer now. We're on the Overload dashboard. I'm going to have to blur out a lot of this stuff just because it shows the other products that have made me a lot of money in the past month and all the other, how much profit I've made this month and all that stuff. So I'm going to have to blur out all that stuff. But as you can see right here, the second product is actually the second top one. It actually, profit-wise or revenue-wise, it's not the top one. It's just the top one compared to how many pieces it sold. So as you can see, the number one top item as far as units sold is 532, and the second one, the hot dog sofa bed, 119 pieces. So there it is, the product. All of you guys wondering, one of the products that's made me money, as you can see right here, $5,710.81 within the past month. If we go here to AliExpress, this is what the product is. As you can see, it's a little hot dog bed. It's cool. There's a small, there's a large. The only issue I've had so far with this product, it's not really been getting sales. It's just the profit. So I'm charging about $50 for it. If we round it up, $50 for this product. And look at this. If we get it, a large one, $30 for a cost on AliExpress for this little dog bed. I'm sure it cost them less than $10 to make. And I'm having to charge $50, and I'm only getting about a $20 break-even point just because of how much they're charging. If they charge like $15, $20, it'd sound good. But having a $20 margin on this just isn't enough for me. And even the small one is, $20, which is still a, pretty significant amount of money for this little dog bed. And, I talked to the supplier to try and, run down the price a little bit, negotiate. And honestly, they didn't really want anything to do with that. They tried to keep it at the price that it was. They bumped it down a few dollars and sent me a link where I was like, it's not even worth it. So that's why the ads are just running on autopilot with lookalikes. They're getting sales every day, but not that many sales. And I'm sure if you guys tested this the right way, then you would make money. As far as the targeting I was using when cold testing, it was things like dog owners, people that love their dogs, dog beds, and Petco, and like different dog stores or pet stores, because this is not just a dog bed. You can use it for a cat or, whatever you want. It just looks cool like a dog. And as far as the ad goes, I was using a video. I was using a video that shows like a dog getting into it, and I edited it and put the music and everything like that together to make it look good. And honestly, the cost per purchase was not that good. I would say around $15, which leaves $5 profit, which is not good at all after your super high cost from AliExpress suppliers. So really, it's just about working the system and figuring out what's good and what's not. Overall, I didn't like it, and then they started charging for shipping. Like ePacket, $6. It just ruins the whole profit margin, and the cost per purchase was just way too high. But I'm sure some of you guys could sell this and make money with it. Out of the $6,000 of revenue I drove with it the past month, I would say I spent about $3,000 in ads. So, you win some, you lose some. Not the most profitable product in the world, but it is what it is. You live and you learn. I tried to scale it up super fast at the beginning, which I regret. If you guys find a product that's profitable with cold testing, give it some time before you start to scale it with lookalikes and everything like that and retargeting, because I tried to jump right off the bat. As soon as I could make that audience, the US lookalike, 1%, 2%, 3%, I went for it, and they just weren't as good as if I let them optimize for longer and actually get the traffic and data that it needed, the purchases, add to carts, and all that stuff. So if I were you, if you want to test this product, because it's one that's made me money for sure. I didn't lose money with it, but I definitely didn't make a ton of money with it. So if you want to test it out, like I said, those specific targeting, cold interest, test the worldwide and United States. I had a lot of purchases in Australia and the UK. Those were probably my two main ones. The United States wasn't in the top two, but it was definitely probably the third one. And a lot of people actually bought more than one, believe it or not. My average cart value was, more than 20 or what I charged for it, 50. It was actually a lot more than that because people would buy a small one and a big one, or they would buy two big ones if they have two dogs. There's more people that have pets, more than one pet, than you would think, that want this little dog bed. And honestly, there's not much to it. A little pillow, little dog bed that says hot dog. But the video, I think, is what really, turned that profit to make people actually want to buy it. It's just about capturing people's emotions, figuring out what people like, what they don't like, and how you can get them to buy from your store. So, yeah, guys, give it a shot. I just wanted this to be a quick video showing you guys one of the products that's made me, almost 5 figures this month. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.